Hello students, now today I discuss the exercise 9.3 question number 10. Question number 10. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at O. Prove that area of AOD equal to the area of BOC. A trapezium ABCD and the diagonal AC and BD intersected at O. Trapezium ABCD and the diagonal AC and BD intersected at O. Prove that area of triangle AOD equal to the area of triangle BOC. Clear? Now angle DAC, triangle DAC and triangle DBC. Triangle DAC and triangle DBC lie on the same base DC. Lie on the same base DC and between the same parallel line AB and DC. Lie on the same base. Lie on the same base DC and between the same parallel line AB and DC. Between the same parallel line AB and DC. The area DAC, triangle DAC equal to area triangle DBC. Area triangle DAC minus area triangle DOC equal to area triangle DBC minus area triangle DOC that's equal to area triangle AOD equal to area triangle BOC. क्लियर? देखो, ट्रायंगल DAC and triangle DBC on the same base DC and between the parallel line AB and DC. Therefore, the area of DAC equal to the area of DBC. Now we subtract the area DOC from both triangle and we get area AOD equal to the area triangle BOC. Clear? Next question. Question number 11. A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. Is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F, so that area of triangle ACB equal to the area of triangle ACF. And second, area of triangle, area of quadrilateral AEDF equal to the area of pentagon ABCDE. Clear? Now A, B, F, C, D, E and O. Now once again, A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC meet DC at F, so that area ACB equal to area ACF. Second, area AEDF equal to area ABCDE. First, triangle ACB and triangle ACF on the same base AC and between the parallel line AC and BF triangle ACB and triangle ACF on same base AC and parallel line AC and BF, then area triangle ACB equal to area triangle ACF. Area triangle ACB equal to area triangle ACF. Clear? Now the second part, area ACB and area ACF both are equal. Then we add both sides area ACDE. In area triangle ACB equal to area triangle ACF. Add area ACDE both sides then area triangle ACB plus area ACDE equal to area triangle ACF plus area ACDE, that's equal to area ABCDE equal to area AEDF. Now prove. Clear? Next question. A villager Itwari has a plot. A villager Itwari has a plot of land of the shape of quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corner to construct a health center. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in the lie of his land adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. Now, question number 12. A, B, C, D be the plot of the land of the shape of a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D be the plot of the land of the shape of the quadrilateral. The diagonal BD is joined and AE parallel to BD. BE is joined which intersected AD at O. Triangle BCE. Triangle BCE is the shape of original field. Triangle BCE is the shape of original field, and triangle AOB is the area for contribution health center, and triangle DEO land joining to the plot. Land joining to the plot. To prove area DEO equal to area AOB. Triangle DEB and triangle DAB lie DAB and DEB lie on the same base BD, and between the same parallel line BD and AE. So the area of DEB equal to the area of DAB. Area of DEB equal to the area of DAB. Area DEB and area DAB both are on the same base BD, and between the parallel line BD and EA. BD and EA, therefore their area are equal. DEB area DEB minus area DOB equal to area DAB minus area DOB, that's equal to area DEO equal to area AOB. Clear? Thank you.